Oh. Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm about to unbox my complete luxury box. Okay. The thrill of unboxing. So sweet. Look at that. You are gorgeous. Welcome, founding member Crystal. Handwritten note, because, personalized. Founding member perks. Free piece of jewelry in October, exclusive sales for subscribers, first access to holiday gift box. Ooh, there's a holiday gift box. This is a one-time gift box where you can purchase for yourself or anyone you want to share a message that you're beautiful. First access with deep 50% off discount, for real, to the Hot Hub, your personal stylist. There's statement earrings in here and a bracelet. And this gives you all the details of everything in your box. Holy crap, it's so pretty. I want to look at it. And the team, it's a family-owned business with Winnie the dog. Oh, I love it. Okay. Little info about Lux Club. Looky, perfect for fall. Look at this gorgeous thing. Is it upside down? It's upside down. Look how pretty. And there's buttons because it's a shawl. Oh my God. I'm gonna wear this today. So I picked the box. I selected Surprise Me. So I think you can do silver or gold, but I picked Surprise Me, so this is a surprise. Yay! Okay. All right. What a cool bracelet that goes with my shawl. Every purchase helps someone in need. Aww. Oh, that's so pretty. It says dream, believe, and it's got these little charms and everything. How pretty. I'm wearing that today. Founding member. Oh, this must be my free gift. Cute. I have a necklace that this is gonna go great with. So cute. Goes with my jewelry today too. These are so pretty. I love them. So happy.